Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. P channel. I already done a video a while back as soon as my phone updated to audio DeX station, and basically when the phone is connected to a DeX station, the phone turns into a trackpad when you disconnect the keyboard and the mouse. But this is a bit inconvenient because, well, the way I done it, I had the extension cable, which is somewhere. Let me find it. That's the one. So here we go, extension cable. So basically the way I done it is I plugged in my phone into extension cable, then plugged in the other end into a DeX station, and phone basically turns into a DeX station environment. But it's not working perfectly because, well, you just put this on the surface and use it as a trackpad. But I thought, right, okay, it can scratch the back and you need to put a case or something. So what I decided to do, I have my old computer box, a cardboard box, and I have the blade. So what I'll do, I'll try to do a prototype of my trackpad, or some sort of as a place, as a for me to put my phone into, connect everything, and it's gonna be more user friendly, let's say it this way. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I just decided to go have a try, and let's see how it goes. So here we are, cardboard monstrosity, the phone inside there with the strap to pull it away as soon as you disconnect the cable. Everything is on. Right now I have keyboard and mouse connected, so mouse all works here, and the keyboard, yeah, keyboard's working. Just I needed to give it a couple of seconds to wake it up because it's a wireless keyboard. So all fine. So what I'll do now, I'll disconnect the keyboard and the mouse. So that's been disconnected. And right now, this becomes a trackpad. So if I go, okay, wrong place. Touchpad. So tap with 2 fingers, show more options. Right click, okay, swipe with 2 fingers, scroll, touch and hold and move, tap. So that's it. It's not great, I'll tell you now. It is not the best thing I ever done, but it basically shows that that kind of device would be, I don't know, I would like that kind of DeX station look like instead of the new DeX station dock or DeX station pad, because it's a flat, the phone can slide away, but something like this with something built in, like not active cooling but a passive cooling or something in that kind of region to cool the phone while you're using it. And you just use about a couple of things I probably would change is cut the gap here and actually pull the phone with the cable instead of waiting, unplug the cable and pull it just in case. But that pretty much all does pretty much okay. The hot glue pad's actually working for my table, so it's not as slidey as I thought it would be. So it's all well and good. So and you have this one somewhere, and you just use this as a, what's this called, Magic Trackpad by Apple. Basically that's my my keyboard. It's got a trackpad, but obviously keyboard is a bit alleviates, like rises up, so it's easier for your wrist to use. So this way so if I, let's say, go to YouTube. So we're opening YouTube. Let's go, I don't know. So okay, that scrolling works. Let's go to my videos. So loading my videos. Okay, error message. That is great. Great for showing you how it's all working. Okay then, and let's say play this video. So okay, it's working. It's actually, well, obviously it's a trackpad, but I would say this way it's a bit more easy on the wrist to use. I quite like this way much better. And obviously you're gonna lose the big picture, but you'll see how I'm just gonna take it off. So when I finish, I'm just gonna unplug. So big picture gone, pull it out, and that's it. And this is gonna stay somewhere on my table. I'm not sure, I might do a version 2.0. So I want to use my phone, so goes in there, strap, attach it as with a Velcro on the side, grab the cable, plug it in, it's charging and is going into a DeX station mode. Brilliant. I like this one. This is probably my weirdest ideas ever. And obviously I need to tilt a bit just to use face recognition, no problem. So I need to show my face, and that's it. Connects, and I can use it as a trackpad. When I finished, pull the cable out and just take the phone with you. This is brilliant. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, well, this looks like a crap, like a piece of garbage, but I'm quite surprised that that is actually working as I expect. Well, I might do a version 2.0. It all depends how you viewers are keen to see that. But that's it. Just a blade, hot glue, and an all PC box, cardboard box, and a bit of Velcro, and that's what I came up with. I don't know. Let's see how it all goes. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you have questions or requests, leave them in the comment section below. If you think what I showed you is bullshit, tell me the reason why. And I'll see you in another video with awesome things you can do with Android OS. And hot glue. And the blade. And a piece of cardboard. A lot of things you can do with Android. Anyway, thank you and goodbye.